All right, so today's Tuesday, the 21st of April, and I'm gonna keep it short today because Bitcoin hasn't really done much, and also because I'm on the go. But before we start, as always, I need to mention that this content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making financial decisions. And with that being said, let's see what Ted is saying here. Well, what Trump is saying here, actually. So he says that Iran has violated the ceasefire numerous times. Ugh, man. Even though last week, you know my opinion about Trump, but last week he kept on saying we're very, very, very good friends with Iran. We are extremely close to peace with Iran. So we're not going to get too much into this, but yeah, this doesn't look good, right? At all for the markets. Now, if we're looking at the price, but we're also going to get into the charts, but at the moment it's sitting at 76,400, which, yeah, in the last video I said that this is expected, it's possible. But as you can see, the open interest is still, well, it's trying to pump a little bit here, but nothing too fancy. The volume still meh, the spot volume exactly the same. And the funding, well, this is a bit interesting here. We'll see how it goes, but for the moment it tries to get on the green, which is not very bad for the shorters, right? So in this case, maybe we're finally shifting. Maybe this is the last pump before the dump, hopefully. Now, if we get into the chart, on the daily, nothing major changed since last week either. Um, yeah, we're still pumping a little, which, yeah, like I said, it's kind of expected. Because there's quite a bit of liquidity at the 78-ish thousand, which would also align with the previous high here. Maybe it would take it out, pump to 79.80, and then the final dump. Now, if we look on the 4 hourly, yeah, it pumped quite nicely from this level here, 73,800. Let me just take a quick look with the VWAP. I'm curious. Okay, so it's above the VWAP at the moment. And also volume profile. Okay, so it's also above the point of control. Yeah, it's looking nice at the moment. I'm not gonna lie. Volume is not great, but not bad either on the 4 hourly. If we look on the hourly, yeah, this pump is pretty decent. And also pumped from this well, interest area here. We can clearly see this demand zone here. So it looks good. It looks good, but I'm still hoping and obviously expecting that it's gonna take out this liquidity from the 78,500-ish area and then the dump. That's what I'm expecting. Obviously, I don't have the crystal ball. I cannot predict the markets, but based on what I'm seeing here, economical and political news, I believe it's just going to take out this area here, maybe push to 80, 81, something like that, and then the final dump. So yeah, like I said, nothing changed, nothing major changed today. And I'm not expecting it to, well, hopefully I'm not expecting it to push so much higher, you know. We can also take a quick look at the liquidity. Okay, so if I go on the 3-day time frame, oh wait, so it actually taken some liquidity from here, and if I go on the 1 month, okay, yeah, so see, 78,500. There is quite a bit of liquidity around this area. Well, and a little bit above, but that's not too much, not too big of a deal. We have this one here. So this is what I'm worried about. This is why this pump here on the hourly is not really surprising me, to be honest, because obviously market makers want to take out all of the money in the markets. So yeah, I'm not gonna make a video tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, so we're only gonna be seeing each other on Friday. So hopefully by the time I come back from this trip on Friday, markets will be at 70 or below. That's what I'm hoping for. So yeah, take care of yourselves, guys.